English in action. Checking and replacing batteries in smoke detectors. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of home maintenance and repairs, specifically focusing on an essential household task: checking and replacing batteries in smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are an integral part of our homes. They help keep us safe by alerting us to possible fires. Ensuring these devices work properly is crucial, and that's why we need to regularly check and replace their batteries. Phrases to remember. Smoke detectors are integral to home safety. It's important to regularly check and replace their batteries. When we talk about checking and replacing batteries in smoke detectors, we often use specific phrases and vocabulary. For instance, you might hear someone say, "It's time to check the smoke detector's battery," or "I need to replace the batteries in our smoke detectors." More phrases to learn. "I think the smoke detector's battery is running low. Can you remind me to buy batteries for the smoke detector?" Describing the steps in English to check and replace batteries might involve sentences like these. 1. First, I will test the smoke detector by pressing the test button. 2. If it doesn't beep or the beep is weak, that means the batteries are low. 3. I'll remove the old batteries and put in the new ones. 4. Finally, I will test the detector again to make sure it's working properly. If you need help, it's important to know how to ask for it in English. You might say, "Could you help me replace the batteries in the smoke detector?" Or, "Do you know where we keep the spare batteries for the smoke detector?" That's it for today's lesson. We've learned about the importance of maintaining smoke detectors and some useful phrases and sentences related to checking and replacing batteries in them. Remember, practicing these phrases will help you become more fluent and confident in English. See you next time, and remember, keep practicing.